Hello and welcome. This is a prediction if there was a red wave. We're going to start out with a medium to light red wave to a very high red wave, which is, it's not as likely as it is, but we're going to start off with the safe seats: Utah, Wyoming, Nebraska, North Dakota, Mississippi special. Safe Democrat: California, Washington, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, Delaware, Maryland, New York, Vermont, Maine, and Hawaii. For likely Republican: Texas, Tennessee. Republicans take back the majority now. The state of Missouri. This is more likely than a Democrat blue wave, but not to this extent. This would not be likely. This is actually possibly gonna happen, just not as like these states would go this way. I mean, like, in the way is, like, let's say North Dakota could possibly be likely in the actual scenario. This one's a little bit more of a red wave than it is actually right now for the Senate. Okay, so let's start with now likely Democrat: Minnesota, Pennsylvania, Virginia, New Mexico. Lean Republican: the states of Missouri, Nevada, Arizona, Florida. For lean Democrat: Wisconsin, Ohio. For tilt Republican: Indiana. For tilt Democrat: Montana, Minnesota special, Michigan, West Virginia, New Jersey. That's a huge Republican gain. For a very big red wave, this is highly unlikely. This is probably 2 seats more than it actually is going to be, or 3 seats more than what it's actually going to be. Republicans are probably going to have 52 to 53 seats in the Senate by the time it's the end of the election. For a big red wave, we're going to start off with moving states that could go into the safe: Texas, and that is all. For likely Democrat, the states that can move are Connecticut, Rhode Island, Delaware. For states that can move from lean to likely are the states of Missouri, Nevada, Florida. The states that can move into the lean column for the Democrats: Pennsylvania, yeah, that would be all. States that would move into the lean: just Indiana. And states that move into the tilt Democrat would be the states of Wisconsin, Ohio. States that move into tilt Republican: West Virginia, Michigan, Montana, New Jersey, Minnesota special election, and this would give Republicans a supermajority. This is highly unlikely, even with the moderate red wave. That is actually possible. This is probably impossible. It's still possible to happen, but it's highly unlikely. So this is if Republicans had a red wave, and if it were to get to the most powerful it could get, the red wave. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I have my final predictions out on Monday or Tuesday. It's going to be a huge election night video with the governor, Senate, and House in one video.